Hello everyone! Today I'm going to do a review on the Sigmatic mushroom coffee with lime mane, and it also says think on the package. Before anything, I want to say that this video is not sponsored by this coffee. I just bought a few packets of the coffee myself, and then I'm enjoying the coffee, so I'm thinking doing a thorough review of the coffee. So if you have heard of this Sigmatic coffee, you must be wondering, first, why is there mushroom in the coffee? Second, what does the mushroom taste like? Third, is there any health benefit to the mushroom? So if you have gone to their website, they say a bunch of fancy stuff, like the mushrooms in the coffee is going to make you think better. It's going to make you think more clear. But first of all, let's talk about the flavor. How does the mushroom coffee taste like? To be honest, I have ditched the traditional coffee since last month once I got this coffee, because it does taste pretty good. A lot better than the regular coffee that I got at Costco. According to their own website, although there's mushroom in the coffee, you will not be able to taste the mushroom. However, I do taste some mushroom flavors in the aftertaste. So first, when you drink it, you only taste coffee flavor, which is pretty good. Their coffee is pretty good. But the aftertaste, you can feel some of that mushroom flavor. I hate some of the mushroom, but this mushroom flavor is pretty good. However, other than the mushroom aftertaste, this thing tastes exactly like coffee. Nothing crazy there. It tastes exactly like coffee. So how I prepare my coffee is, I have an espresso machine. I just brew the espresso with the ground coffee and then add the milk. Simple preparation. So it's pretty good. According to their packet, you can make it as hot coffee or cold brew. I'm not sure if cold brew is a good idea because it's got mushroom in it. And if you don't heat it, would you be eating raw mushrooms? I don't know. I don't know how they prepare the mushroom. I don't want to make cold brew with this coffee, but you can try. At the end of the day, the packet does say it's good for cold. They have probably tested that. Other than that, let's talk about the health benefit of the mushroom coffee. So on their website, they mentioned a lot of stuff. So according to their website, what they said is lion's mane and chaga. That will help you avoid coffee's dreaded dark side. No jitters or hocus pocus. Who doesn't want hocus pocus? Weird statement here. Just hours of crash-free focus. You have to find another excuse for midday naps. So I guess the gist is that if you drink this coffee, you will not have after coffee jitter or after coffee crash, something like that. You just have few hours of pure focus. Now, for me personally, I do feel the coffee effect after I drink it. I do feel that the coffee kicks in, but I do not know that if the mushroom made the difference, at least for me personally. Coffee by itself is a stimulant, so if I'm feeling alert or focused, is that because of the coffee or because of the mushroom? I have no idea. So I wouldn't be vouching for their claimed benefit that this will make you think better. Maybe it does make you think better. I just personally don't feel that much of a difference. That if there's any difference, because I don't really feel more focused drinking this than drinking regular coffee. In fact, I took a nap today, right after I drink 1 cup of this coffee. So checkmate for Sigmatic. Your website says you have no midday nap. However, I just took one today, so I won. Although I don't feel a difference, like mentally, for this coffee. Mushrooms are nutritious stuff, so if there's actually mushroom in it, it probably helps me in ways that I probably cannot feel right away. So I'm going to just believe it on this one. Can I trust you? Maybe. In the end, I'm going to give this coffee a 9 out of 10. So the flavor wise, it's pretty good. The coffee itself is pretty good and it has some mushroom aftertaste that I personally enjoy. I don't know if you will enjoy, but I personally enjoy. The coffee itself is pretty good coffee, dark roast, not very sour, that's what I like. Health wise, I don't feel that this coffee makes me more focused or think better, but I'm going to believe that it gives me some health benefit because it's got mushrooms after all. More is always better than less. Like coffee plus mushroom is probably better than coffee itself. right? Unless it's poisonous mushroom, which I hope it's not. If I can actually feel the claimed effect of the mushroom, I will probably give this coffee a 10. However, since I don't really feel it in my brain, I'm going to give it only a 9 out of 10. It's a pretty tasty coffee after all, and I do enjoy this very much. I'm going to see you next time. Okay, I'm gonna keep drinking my coffee.